I just finished making an onion ring video, so go check me out. And right now I'm back with another video because I was gonna make it tomorrow, but the kids said, girl, bye, we can't just have the onion rings. So let me show you guys the onion rings in case you guys didn't see the video. If you want to learn how to make some crispy, crunchy, I burnt one, so don't come for me. I'll throw that out in a second. But otherwise, I made some really cute onion rings. And right now, I'm about to make some Philly cheesesteak. Philly cheesesteak. Using the Great Value sirloin. I bought another pack of sirloin from Aldi that comes already ripped up. Like, it looks like ground beef. But the girl was like, there was none left. So I had to hit up Walmart real quick and improvise. All right? So before in the other video, I was telling you guys I've been running around. Getting ready. New Year's is in 2 days. And yeah, we're just gonna have a chill day here and bring in the new year. Cooking and looking good. You know the drill. So right now I'm about to get started on these Philly cheesesteaks. And yeah, you guys come with me on this ride because you already know what time it is. So let's get cooking, good looking. All right. So first for the Philly cheesesteaks, we're gonna put the steak aside because that we're gonna go toss up in the pot. So the steak and the cheese we're gonna put aside, but we're gonna get our stuff ready for that process. So first we're gonna do, I'm opening that for. First we're gonna do, I made some onion rings, so I saved some of the rings that were kind of broken to make sure that I can use to cut up. So just gonna make like some little long cuts in these, nothing crazy. I'm only gonna throw a few of them in when you're making your steak. Nothing too crazy, not too small either. And then in my cheesesteaks, not my kids though, in my mom's, I like to put a few peppers. So what I do is I also just cut them a little long way. So this one is nice and long already, which makes it perfect, nice and easy. Throw that there. I'm a beat. You know what I mean? Peppers and our onions go. I just cut up the tomatoes, the lettuce. I cut up, and I'm going to show you how I make one. And I won't bore you with making every single one with me, but I'm going to show you how I make one. So first, I get my 2 steak pieces because the boxes that you buy come with about 420. Ooh, I thought I turned this down. I'll let that go a little bit. And because this is me and my mommy, get the little peppers in there. And then throw in my steak, turn it down low. And of course they come frozen from the store. So let this cook for a little bit. Start letting it mash out. Once it starts to heat up, it starts to separate, break apart, as you can see. Alright, so I'm going to let this cook down a bit, and then I'm going to show you guys the next step. So get it in this nice little piece after you let it burn. Make sure your fire isn't too high because you don't want to burn them up. I'm going to grab the provolone. Don't forget you're using provolone cheese. And you're just going to, just like they do at the deli, the PhillyCheeseSteak spitty. Just gonna put the provolone on top of it, and I like to cover it for a few seconds, okay? Oh, why is my camera dropping like that, you guys? Let's get the meat. All right, so always use a spatula for this part because my mom doesn't like mayo, so we're not gonna put any mayo, but honey, what we saying, what we looking like? What we looking like, y'all? What it's looking like? Ooh. Da-da, da-da. Oh my God. You know what? Let me put the lettuce on the side of this bad boy. Ooh. There we go. Let's put a little tomato in and then squeeze the lettuce in. So let's lettuce. All right, you guys, I'm gonna make a few more. And then we're about to, once I make mine, we're about to test. All right, guys, that Philly cheese, I had to break it apart to show you guys the middle and the cheese, all of that good stuff. You know what we're about to do. So I made everybody one. They rated it 10 out of 10. So you know, guys, make this. Try it. You'll like it. So like, comment, and subscribe. Come back to the channel. So we can get cooking. Good lookings. Bye!